Scene script. Do you feel safe in your home? Is the lock on your door and the neighborhood watch enough to keep your home secure? In today's fast-paced, technology-driven world, it's worth considering modern solutions to ensure your home's safety. And what better way to do that than to explore the world of home security systems? Home security systems have come a long way from the old-school models that merely sounded an alarm when a door or window was breached. Now, these systems are sophisticated, smart, and can provide a comprehensive security solution for your home. Let's start with the traditional wired security systems. These systems are reliable, time-tested, and provide an array of features like alarms, motion detectors, and surveillance cameras. However, they can be quite complex to install, and once installed, it's a challenge to move or modify them. They also require a landline connection, which can be a disadvantage in our increasingly wireless world. Now let's shift gears to wireless security systems. These systems are easy to install, flexible, and can be controlled remotely from your smartphone. They are less invasive than their wired counterparts and offer a high degree of customization. However, they rely on Wi-Fi and battery power, which can be a disadvantage during power outages or network issues. Then there are smart security systems. These are truly the future of home security. They offer real-time alerts, video surveillance, and even smart home integration. Imagine being able to lock your doors, turn on your lights, or even adjust your thermostat remotely. But with great power comes great responsibility. These systems are more expensive and require a strong, reliable internet connection. Finally, we have monitored and unmonitored systems. Monitored systems are watched over by security professionals 24/7, who can contact the authorities in case of an emergency. Unmonitored systems, on the other hand, rely on you or your neighbors to alert the authorities. While monitored systems provide greater peace of mind, they usually come with a monthly fee. Scene script. No matter which system you choose, remember that the aim of a home security system is not just to prevent burglaries, but to give you peace of mind. Knowing that your home is protected, whether you're inside or away, can provide a sense of security that is truly invaluable. In conclusion, home security systems have evolved to meet our changing needs and lifestyles. They are no longer just about sounding an alarm, but about providing a comprehensive, customizable solution for home safety. So if you're still wondering whether a home security system can really prevent home invasions, the answer is a resounding yes. But more than that, they can provide you with peace of mind. And isn't that what home is all about? It's time to take home security into your own hands. Contact IoT Security Engineering Solutions today, and let's create a custom alarm system that meets your unique needs and ensures the safety of your home. Because at the end of the day, there's no place like a secure home.